Alright, hello guys and girls, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a maintenance detail on one of my customers' vehicles. This is a Porsche Panamera, and we're going to go ahead and get started. We're just starting off with our initial rinse to get all the dust off. This vehicle is kept inside of a garage 99% of the time, so it's not terrible. The carpets do get a little bit dirty, but other than that, the car's in pretty good shape. So we'll walk you through our detail process on this one. Again, initial rinse, and then we will go ahead and treat the wheels and get all the brake dust and everything off the wheels. Now these are a chrome wheel, so I don't like to let the chemical sit on them for too long, just in case. I don't want it to etch into the into the chrome. So I just spray it on and then rinse it off pretty much right away. I did all the wheels. Now I come back across and rinse the vehicle down, and then we will hook up our foam cannon and spray the vehicle down with the foam. Alright, so now that it's nice and sudsy, I take my wash mitt and I just go ahead and wash the whole vehicle down. And then I will actually, once that's done, I will actually refoam the car and go back after it with a clay bar to remove all the contamination out of the paint that doesn't come out from the wash. Alright, once the car has been completely clayed, I go ahead and rinse the vehicle off. And I always start from the top and work my way down, letting gravity work with me to get all the soap off. And then I use my blower to blow out the vehicle to dry it off. It blows out the water from all the tight crevices, and then also helps dry the main surfaces of the vehicle. And then I come through with my microfiber drying towel and mop up the rest. Let me know what you guys think of the paint color on this Panamera. I personally love it. I think it's an absolutely amazing color. But go ahead and comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Now we're moving on to the interior with a basic vacuum. I actually pulled the floor mats out already, and I will be shampooing those. The rest of the vehicle isn't in that bad a shape, so we just do a vacuum to make sure everything's squared away. And then we'll move on to the seats and then extracting the carpets. Alright, so moving on to the leather seats. I'm actually using an all-in-one leather cleaner and conditioner because they're not in bad shape, and because the car is garaged all the time, it doesn't get a lot of direct sunlight. We're opting to use the 2-in-1, and basically because the seats are perforated, I apply the leather conditioner, cleaner conditioner onto the microfiber towel, make sure that it's all rubbed in, and then go ahead and rub the seats down so that I make sure I do not clog any of the pores of the perforation. All right, now we're moving on to the carpets, the floor mats themselves. As you can see, that driver's side carpet gets pretty dirty. So we're gonna make sure that one's all taken care of, and then we'll go and clean the rest of them as well. So I'm just applying my carpet solution, followed up by my drill brush to agitate the solution and all the dirt to get it lifted up and out of there. And then I'll fire up my extractor and suck all that stuff out. And so I made sure to really agitate that one area, especially where it was really dirty, just to spend a little extra time there to make sure it gets all clean. Now we're moving back onto the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and put a nice coat of wax on it. Actually, it's a 2-in-1 polish and sealant that we use. It's from 3D Products, and it goes on super easy and wipes off even easier, which is really nice. You don't have to struggle with it. It also provides an amazing amount of protection. And then at the end of it, we do apply a spray-on ceramic detail spray. So it does have a lot of the properties of a ceramic coating, except it does not last as long, but it's really easy to apply, and it is extremely hydrophobic. And again, guys, as always, all the stuff that we use in the video, we do link down below, so if you're interested in picking any of it up, it'll all be down in the description with names and links directly to Amazon. So I've got the whole vehicle wiped down now, and now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my tire dressing using a little sponge applicator, and then I will go back through, and with my ceramic detail spray I will do a final wipe down on the wheels with the chrome. Sometimes they like to leave a little bit of a haze, so I just like to buff that out and make sure they're perfect. Now we finally move on to the windows. And again, I only use water on my windows. I'm able to achieve a really nice, clean, streak-free finish with just water and some microfiber towels. And what I do is I load up one microfiber towel with water, get it nice and wet, and then I follow up with a dry one to buff out any streaks and make sure the windows are perfect. And here's the final result. As you can see, the paint is in perfect condition. The windows are nice and clean. The wheels are spotless and nice and dressed, and the customer is super happy. We've had this customer for about 5 years now and maintained a few different of their cars, but I would say this one's probably my favorite of the ones that they've had. So as always, guys, thank you so much. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.